Hi guys. So if you think this equation drives you crazy, so let me tell you, you're not alone, okay? So let's solve it step by step together. So the first step would be to bring this down, isn't it? So 4 to the power x minus 4 x minus 1 equals to 24. This is what they have given, okay? We have to utilize this to be able to, okay, find answer for this. So how do you think we should be proceeding, okay, ahead? This seems a bit inviting to me because let me first simplify this, okay? So 4 to the power x minus 4 to the power x dot 4 to the power minus 1. Can we write for minus 1 like this? As per the exponential rule. Correct, guys? If there is, okay, a minus 1 here, that means 4 has a power of minus 1 apart from having a power of x. Alright, having got two terms over here, can we pull out 4 to the power x as common factor? So what are we left with? 1 from here and 4 to the power minus 1 here equals to 24. Correct? So let me keep 4 to the power x here and solve the inside. 1 minus 1 by 4, correct? Isn't it? And 1 minus 1 by 4 equals to what? Obviously 3 by 4, correct? And since there is a multiplication over here, so let me put that also, correct? What next? Definitely we need to isolate 4 to the power x equals to 24. 4 will go on the top and 3 comes down, correct? Can we cancel? Of course we can. We are left with 8 on the top with, okay, in multiplication with 4. Now going ahead, I have 4 to the power x equals to 32. Isn't it? Now 32 can be written as 2 to the power 5, but 4, no. So in this case we need to convert 4 to the power, okay, 2 to the power 2 and x outside. Got it? Now, which means any exponent which is, okay, as follow up, so we can multiply. So 2 inside and another exponent outside means we can always multiply. So which means 2 to the power 2x. Got it? Alright. So far so good. Now we have the bases same, which means 2x equals to 5. And why so? Tell me. Correct. So therefore x is equal to 5 by 2. But this is not the answer we are looking for. We are looking for an answer here. Okay? We have to evaluate 2x to the power x. So in that case, how do we go? Let's write 2 to the power 2x to the power x can be written as 2 multiplied by 5 by 2. Alright. And then we have x to the power 5 by 2. Inside, let me simplify. So thus I get 5, okay, to the power 5 by 2. Got it? Which is equal to, okay, 5 to the power 5. Got it? 2 goes that side to square root. Okay. Usually we don't write 2 here. Now this is an odd power, which means 5 to the power 2 dot 5 to the power 2 and 5, okay, square root can be written as 5 dot 5 and 5. Okay. So this is equal to 25 and root 5. Okay. So this is our final answer, guys, and this is how we are able to reach up to the evaluation of this. Alright guys, so if I have to reinforce, okay, we are given this equation. This equation seems very inviting because we have two places, the same term 4 to the power x. We pull that out, okay, as common here. From here we get 4x multiplied by 1 gives me this, okay, 4 to the power x, okay. So, and from here we are getting 4 to the power minus 1, correct. Here when we simplify this, this comes down, the reciprocal of 4 is 1 by 4. We get 3 by 4. Alright. This is to be made the subject, which means this needs to be transposed to the other side. So 4 by 3. Here we get 32. Now 32 is clearly, okay, 32 doesn't come as any power in terms of 4, so we need to make sure that this is converted in terms of 2. So 2 to the power 2, and an outside power is x here. Having done that, we multiply these two and we get 2 to the power 2x. Now we are in a position to equate, okay, the powers. Got it or not? So next we compare the powers and we get the value of x, which is 5 by 2. Now it is easy for me to calculate, okay, and which is what I do over here. So 2 gets cancelled, 5 by 2. Below 2 means it needs to square root, and this 5 can come inside as power to the 5, which exactly I have done over here. Okay, so 5 square because it's a square root, so 2 5 comes out and 5 1 remains inside, which means 25 to the power square root 5 is my final answer. Got it? So what we feel is that visually, okay, these sums may appear a little complex, but when we break it up, okay, they start to look simpler and easier to grasp, okay. So try to understand the, okay, secret behind such sums, and I'm sure you will be able to master them easily, okay. So the more you practice, the better it will be. So next time I'm bringing some more interesting videos, and in case you've liked, so do like, share and subscribe my channel, so that gives, okay, a kind of boost. And not only that, you will get also the notifications on time, okay, which I'm doing with a great consistency, okay. Every week at least 1 or 2 videos I'm uploading of the same kind, okay. Thank you guys, have a great day, enjoy yourself, bye bye.